There are over 1.5 million registered nonprofit organizations in the United States alone, serving a multitude of causes. It's a vast and diverse landscape, but they all start at the same place, choosing a name. But choosing the right name for your nonprofit is more than just a creative exercise. It's a critical first step in establishing your identity, mission, and values. Before we go over the process of naming your nonprofit, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Now, step 1 of naming a nonprofit is to understand your mission and audience. The most effective nonprofit names are ones that reflect their mission and resonate with their intended audience. You must ask yourself, what is the cause your organization will address, and who are the people you aim to serve? For example, if your nonprofit is geared towards providing clean water in underdeveloped areas, names such as Clean Water Initiative or Wells for Wellness could be appropriate. These names are direct, easy to understand, and clearly express the mission. Step 2, brainstorm. Once you've defined your mission and audience, it's time to brainstorm. Think about words and phrases that embody your nonprofit's purpose, values, and audience. Make a list, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Last year, over 200,000 new nonprofits were registered in the United States, with a broad spectrum of names. This underscores the importance of creativity in standing out from the crowd. Step 3, do your research. When you have a list of potential names, it's time to do a little detective work. Check if the names are already in use or if they're trademarked. Over 80% of nonprofits also have a web presence, so ensure the domain name is available too. Step 4, get feedback. Once you have a short list, seek opinions. This could be from your team, potential beneficiaries, volunteers, or even from a control group. Feedback can help you understand how your name resonates with different people and refine it if needed. And finally, step 5, make it official. Register your nonprofit name, secure the domain, and start your journey of making a difference. In fact, our organization is standing by to register your nonprofit right now. To get started, just visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think of the steps in this video? Do they seem simple or complicated? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.